The all-new 2027 Toyota Camry arrives with a bold transformation that propels this iconic midsize sedan into a whole new era of design, performance, and technology. No longer known solely for its reliability, the latest Camry now boasts a striking presence that feels futuristic, sporty, and premium from every angle. Starting at the front, the 2027 Camry immediately stands out with aggressive and ultra-modern front fascia. Sleek, sharp LED headlights stretch horizontally, creating a sharp look that enhances the car's wide stance. These lights are seamlessly connected by a futuristic illuminated strip that highlights the bold Toyota lettering, giving the car a high-tech identity, especially at night. The front bumper is sculpted with deep air intakes and a large honeycomb grille that not only improves airflow, but also adds a powerful performance character. Every line on the hood is meticulously designed to create a muscular and aerodynamic profile, making the front end look elegant and powerful at the same time. Seen from the side profile, the Camry displays a sleek and dynamic silhouette that resembles a coupe-style sedan. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, enhancing its sporty appearance while remaining practical. Sharp character lines run along the doors, giving the body a sense of movement even when parked. Wide wheel arches house large alloy wheels that perfectly complement the car's aggressive stance. Black accents around the windows and mirrors add contrast, while the overall proportions emphasize balance, aerodynamics, and modern sophistication. It's a design that feels both athletic and refined, appealing to drivers who desire style without sacrificing comfort. At the rear, the 2027 Camry continues its futuristic theme with a clean yet bold design. The LED taillights are sharp and extend outward, creating a visually wider appearance. Sleek black trim connects the lights, adding a sense of continuity and a modern touch. The rear bumper features sporty elements like a diffuser-like design and integrated exhaust tips that enhance the car's performance-inspired appearance. Subtle details like the sculpted trunk lid and integrated lip spoiler enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a clean, premium aesthetic. The rear view perfectly balances elegance and aggression, making it just as impressive as the front. Stepping inside, the Camry offers a cabin that feels like a leap into the future. The dashboard is clean, driver-focused, and dominated by a large floating infotainment screen that serves as a control center for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, ensuring the driver is always fully informed. High-quality materials such as soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and sporty red accents enhance the cabin's premium feel. Ambient lighting extends across the dashboard and doors, creating a modern and relaxing atmosphere, especially during nighttime driving. The seats are designed for comfort and support, making long journeys enjoyable, while the overall layout ensures everything is within easy reach. In terms of performance, the 2027 Camry is expected to feature an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines efficiency with responsive performance. This system combines an enhanced gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver smooth acceleration and improve fuel economy. The instant torque from the electric motor provides a quick and responsive driving experience, while the overall system ensures lower emissions and quieter operation. Whether driving in the city or on the highway, the Camry offers balanced performance to suit a variety of driving styles. In conclusion, the 2027 Toyota Camry represents a major evolution of a legendary brand. With a futuristic exterior design, a luxurious and technology-focused interior, and an efficient yet powerful hybrid engine, this sedan is built to meet the demands of modern drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of the latest automotive content.